All right, guys, this is a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. What we did on it for the customer is it's got high flow BBK headers and high flow catalytic converters. And he just got these CORSA mufflers that were used that he had on it and cut them off, and he put them back on. And we just put some 4-inch black tips on it for him on this side and this side. There's the black tips right there. There's the CORSA mufflers. It's got a factory X pipe on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it.
Got a 2013 Camaro. Still has factory converters on it. Come back and it has a stainless Borla system. This system is the S type. Notice it says Borla on both sides. And now we have the Borla attacks installed. Now it says Borla attack on both sides. And here's what this one sounds like.
2010 Chevy Camaro SS. Wow, that's the CORSA system. CORSA mufflers. Wow. I like it. Yeah, those tips would have looked a lot better on it. It's got BBK long tube headers and high flow cats. Well, 2.5-inch system all the way back. All right, enjoy, guys.
This is the S type. We're going to be switching to the Borla attacks.
Okay? Whatever you like.
But the cold start ridiculous. rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I let